Master here. Today we have one of these Ford vans, and there's a problem when they open the door. It doesn't always open. You have to hit the unlock on the remote and then keep pulling it, and it doesn't work. So what I'm going to do is take the door handle out. I've taken the panel off so I can see if there's anything going on in there. I really don't see much, but I take the little plastic cover that's on that. And I'm going to use it. I'm going to take the handle out, and so I'm going to put the Torx head in there, small Torx head. There's a screw. Spin that. You don't want to take it all the way out. You just want to loosen it. And I'm trying to see what size it is. A T15 maybe? It's hard to see. T15, I believe. There we go. And then once that is loose, we're going to slide this out. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Just wiggle that out. Just keep wiggling. Really need two hands, but it's out. Once that's out, put that down. I'm going to slide this handle back and then out. Don't lose anything. I'm going to look in there to see if I see anything. But that's how you get the handle out. If you need to do that.